Good morning, students. So, we are studying the body movements. Yesterday, I had given the introduction about the body movements. So, what I am doing now? I am walking. This is I call body movement. While walking, my legs and hands along with my body parts are moving. So, that time, which part of the body parts are using? My legs and hands. And not only this we say as the body movement, while working also, taking this and keeping here or doing many kinds of work in our body are said to be the body movements. So it is very necessary to know the which part of especially the which part of our body takes part in a particular activity. So, I want to say, children, all of you stand up. Stand up, all of you. We'll do small activity. Rotate your hand like this. Do like this, wide and front. Wide and front. And rotate your arms. Like this. Like that. And another kind, anti-clockwise and clockwise. In both the directions. Rotate another hand. Okay. And to the anti-clockwise. You can do. So what kind of activity we are doing here? It can rotate, complete rotation. Nothing will stop here. Okay. So I mean to say, now press like this. Press here. Press here. Try to touch your face. Try to touch your head, nose, chin. You have teeth also. Press your face and neck, shoulder, okay, arms. So what actually hard you are feeling here? Whenever you touch your body part, something you feel hard substance inside the body. So what is that hard substance? That helping you to stand erect, to do many activities, to help in the activities. That particular part of our body is bone. So the bones where they are joined only can bend. I mean to say the bones are joined here. This bone is joined here and this bone is joined here. And this bone also joined in the arm. So it is not possible to bend this part because it is hard substance. Bone is hard substance. We cannot bend here. But the only part of the joint where the bones are joined, it is only possible to bend there. So we call that place as joints. Here in our arms, neck part and a leg part. Okay? Inside the below our back side. So where the bones are joined, that particular part only can bend. Otherwise, we cannot bend other parts where the bones are straight. So these places where the bones are joined together are said to be the joints. So let us study what are the joints. Do the joints are same in our body, all over body? No, they are not same. They are different in our different parts of our body. There are 4 kinds of joints in our body. Ball and socket joint, pivotal joint, hinge joints and fixed joints. Let us study one by one. See, I did know this activity along with you. You also did like this. Now stop this and observe this another time. This we can rotate completely. So I mean to say, how about this joint in our arm? So I have taken two tubes. Okay. Take two pipes. Fix a ball to one pipe and try to rotate in another part. So I mean to say, the ball and socket joints are like this. This bowl like cavity is like our arm, shoulder. In that the arm part is rotating like this. Then only we are able to rotate completely. So this is called ball and socket joint. This you can also prepare at your home, children. You also prepare and see, observe what kind of movement is in the arm and shoulder. So this is ball and socket joint. This is making us to able to do many activities, to rotate backward and forward and to rotate completely. Now another one, pivotal joint. See, this is our neck and this is our head. It is rotating inside our. So I have taken a small ball of wooden and inside a ring. This is like our neck part. This is head part. It enables us to rotate left side and right side, and upright and down also. Up and down also, and left and right side also. So the ball is fixed and inside a ring like this. So the neck part enables us to bend upward and downward, and also left and right side. You also take such small things that are available at your home and do the activities. You can take small rings. See, this is not like a ball and socket, but it is pivotal joint, which is the socket is inside the ring. This is in the neck part, where ball and socket joints are in arm and shoulder, and pivotal joints are in neck and head, to fix neck and head. And hinge joints. Let me show the hinge joints. Here is the door. Try to open the door and close. This part of the door, see, these are called hinges. They are enabling us to open and close the door. See, these are called hinge joints. They are not in the doors. Such bones or joints are in our body. They are called hinge joints. Our elbow has such hinge joint. It allows us only a back and forth movement. Our elbow has such hinge joint. See, it can bend and stretch only. These are hinges. Here also hinges. Okay, hinge joints. fixed joints. Fixed joints are, I mean to say, they are fixed in our body. Some joints between bones in our head are different from those we have discussed. All these types, they are different from hinge and pivotal and ball and socket. Fixed joints are different. They are present in our head. What are those? Try to open your mouth, children. Do like this. You are enabling only to open the mouth and close it. You can open widely and close it. The upper, I want to ask you a question, children, whether the upper jaw is movable or lower jaw is movable. This is upper jaw, this is lower jaw. Which jaw is movable? This is lower jaw, which is movable. But they are fixed. So these are said to be fixed joints. In our head part, the bones are fixed to each other. These are fixed joints. Okay. So these are the kinds of joints. They are enabling us to do all the various activities what we are doing for sitting, walking, jumping, skipping, playing, dancing, doing many kinds of work in our body. Also for your various important works, whatever we are doing, to lifting heavy loads. We can lift heavy objects also. If your bones are strong, you can do many activities. So this joints not only enabling us to do activities, they are helping the bone structure. So along with these joints and bones, it gives a definite structure to the animals and to the human beings. So what is this part of the bone which makes us to stand erect and give support to our body? Think, children, if there are no bones in our body, what could happen to our body? It could be like any cloth. Okay, when you throw a cloth, what happens? Like that, our body also without bones, also like a cloth. So like this, the bones all together constitute a skeleton. So skeleton is very important for our body structure. With this, we'll study tomorrow about the further in this lesson. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.